Market Watch, GDP growth, inflation data, and Nifty spark ahead. The good news, India's GDP grows a robust 8.4%. The Indian economy expanded 8.4% year-on-year in Q4 2023, the strongest growth since Q2 2022. Also, the estimate for the 2023 to 2024 fiscal year growth rate was revised higher to 7.6% from 7.3%. The healthy 8.4% GDP growth in Q3 shows that the Indian economy firmly in investment mode. The Fed's preferred PCE inflation gauge matches consensus forecast. The Personal Consumption Expenditure Price Index in the US increased 0.3% month-over-month in January 2024. The positive takeaway was that markets breathed a sigh of relief that prices didn't rise still faster, and that the annual pace of PCE inflation remains below 3%. Relief over the latest inflation data sent the Nasdaq Composite to a record close on Thursday. Expect IT stocks like HCL Tech, Coforge, and Infy to be in limelight after the benchmark 10-year US Treasury bond yield dropped towards 4.2% after softer US PCE inflation data. Investors will keep a close eye on the auto sales data for February, which will be announced on Friday, 1st March. Long story short, up again for benchmark Nifty. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's session, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of Rs 3568 crores. DIIs, however, were negative and sold to the tune of Rs 230 crores. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Sentiment is likely to be bullish. Nifty's technical suggesting a rebound play on daily charts. F&O data suggests the likely trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 21,700 to 22,500 zone. India VIX has cooled towards 15.57 levels. Nifty PCR, 7th March, is at 0.76. Nifty PCR, 28th March is at 1.35. Bank Nifty PCR, 28th March, is at 1.02. Nifty CMP to 1983. Support, 21,800 to 21,700. Resistance, 22,100 to 22,200. Range, 21,700 to 22,200. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 46121. Support, 45,600 to 45,300. Resistance, 46,300 to 46,600. Range, 45,300 to 46,600. Bias, sideways to bullish. Positivity shall greet Dalal Street after Nifty ended the February month, up around 1.18% at 21,983. Adani Group has said pre-tax profit or EBITDA of its portfolio companies that span from airports to airports soared 34% to 79,000 crore rupees in the 12-month period ended December 2023. Investors benefit from bull runs, but the longer they go on, the more chatter emerges about whether they're still sustainable. Expect hospital stocks like Apollo Hospital, Medanta, Medicare, and Fortis Healthcare are likely to trade with negative bias after the Supreme Court asked the union government to address the discrepancy in healthcare charges. As per media reports, under the clinical establishment rules, the Apex Court asked the central government to take immediate action and determine fees chargeable to patients. NSE has announced that Shriram Finance will replace UPL in Nifty 50. The changes will come into place on 28 March 2024. Additionally, Jio Financial Services will enter Nifty Next 50. NSE in its press release also said that Adani Wilmar, Muthoot Finance, Pi Industries, Procter & Gamble Health and Hygiene Care will exit from Nifty Next 50.